Good morning, everyone. This video is going to be short and to the point. It revolves around my 1992 Dodge B-350 van. Now, I had air conditioning problems with this. The speed control switch overheated and almost caught the dash on fire. Easy enough fix, pull that apart and replace the switch, which I did. But what caused the switch to burn up in the first place? Probably too high of a draw. So I ended up replacing the blower motor, even though it was working. And that's difficult as it is. I'll show you where it's located on this vehicle. I'm hoping you can see down there. That's it, way down there. And you have to maneuver it, once you take it out, maneuver it around the air conditioning, the dipstick, and you have to remove the air intake. That helps a lot. And remove the transmission dipstick as well. Now, when you get the new one, you have to make sure that you have the rotation going in the right direction, which is what I did. I checked the direction of the fan before installing it, and I'll tell you why. Well, you can't tell. The fan's not on here, but anyway, I took a silver marking pen and I marked the direction of rotation. And the reason I did that was because the new motor only comes with bare ends, so I had to cut the wire off of here with the plug, and then splice it in so that it would be easier to take in and out. And I went ahead and I drew a diagram like this. Hopefully you can see it. So after I did that, I installed the switch, and then I realized, you know what? There's one last component that needs to be replaced in this just to be sure we're not having any problems. And that would be the fan, the blower speed resistor. I had the hardest time. I couldn't find anything on the internet to tell me where this resistor was. I even went to Dodge. They kept telling me it was underneath the hood and everything, and it wasn't. Nobody seems to have information on 1992 vehicle. So I looked a little further, and I finally found it myself. Anyway, this is what the resistor looks like. As far as I could tell, it's still good. But I didn't want to go through the trouble of having to take it apart again if I had to. So I ordered another one from Napa, and it is part number BR383, brand new. But that brings us back to the location. And I followed the wire per the instructions of the gentleman from Dodge into the firewall. But then again, it only goes under here, and there's no wire. That's under the glove box. Okay, so I went ahead, and as you can see up there, I took the glove box out, and lo and behold, I'm sure you can see the hole back there. Yeah, I'll try to point it out for you. There it is. And that's where it plugs in. There's your plug right there. So 2 screws, 1, 2, 3, and it's out. Put your glove box back, and you are done. Simple enough, right? Well, it's frustrating when you can't find it, but I did. So anybody that's got an older model Dodge van that's got air conditioning problems, your 3 main electrical components are your control switch, brand new, I replaced. The blower motor and the resistor. Okay? And it worked before changing this resistor, but I just want to make sure that I have a new one in there. And that's pretty much it. So, good luck with your old vintage vehicles.